Fine, let's go. Ha, you're all the same. You're a pain. You're going down. Come on, let's finish this. You can't stop me. I can't promise that you'll live. Get out of my way. You're gonna regret it. My. Aren't we calm? This stinks. You want a piece of me? So, you want me to knock you out? Admit it. You lost. What? Can't get up? Huh. And you thought you'd win? Stay down. What a joke. Get out of my sight. That was fun. Come on. There's more. Revenge is mine. It doesn't matter how many people you've got. Victory is mine. You disappoint me. Don't be jealous. I won. Hurts, doesn't it? Huh. I'm really disappointed. Don't underestimate me. What is this? Do I know this? Do you remember me, you freak? How could I have forgotten? This time, my revenge is complete. I messed up. No way. This must be some kind of joke. Come on. No good. Not enough. Forget it. Out of my way. Scream. Eat this. Too slow. Die. Easy. Does that sting? How pathetic. Shut up. See ya. Take this. This is goodbye.